Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a lot of you have been asking me, if I'm going to continue using Windows 10 now that Windows 11 is here, and what I think of that. I've got 4 PCs running here. 2 are now on Windows 11. One is for the dev channel testing. The other one is my main PC on Windows 11 beta. That's my main PC that's going to get Windows 11 officially released on October 5th. But I have 2 PCs on Windows 10. One is unsupported, so that one will stay on Windows 10. I have no idea and I actually have, don't want to push any machines that's unsupported in Windows 11. And I think anybody that has an unsupported PC should just stay put on Windows 10. Why move an unsupported PC to Windows 11 and not really know exactly what's going to happen? The other one is my gaming and my older gaming laptop, an Acer Nitro 5, which is compatible to move to Windows 11. That one is also going to stay on Windows 10. I'm using it on my big screen TV in the living room, and I have no plans in moving that to Windows 11. I will continue using Windows 10. Absolutely, because it's a great operating system. It's extremely stable. People that say it's not stable, you better check your stuff. You do have problems with, I don't know what you install and what you do with your PCs, but you got some instability coming from somewhere, because Windows 10 is far from being unstable. It's as rock solid as Windows 7 ever was. And it works great. I've had no issues, and most people have no problem with Windows 10. You're going to be okay for the next few years. You're going to have a quiet ride. Why move on to anything else? My main PC is on Windows 11. Of course, I am the guy that's a tech enthusiast that always loved seeing and getting the latest Windows. That's been for a long time. When Windows 98 came out, it was the first. I wanted to have it immediately. I remember going to buy Windows 98 back then. Millennium and then XP. And then Windows 7. I am the one that likes to see the new stuff. But that's me, because as an enthusiast, I like that. And I like to see new stuff. And of course, I would, not just because of the videos here, even if I didn't do videos here, I'd still be moving on to, Windows 11 to see what it looks like on my PCs and so on. Windows 10 is great, and you know what? Why go to Windows 11? Honestly, for most people, it doesn't matter. What you need is a PC that runs, that works. That's a PC that runs and that works. Why move on to anything else? Especially if you're unsupported. That also is, I don't see why you want to move on to Windows 11 if you're unsupported. Windows 10 is still going to be here until 2025. Hey, you're okay. And you'll have a quiet ride at the same time. Windows 11 will have that major update every year, where Windows 10 is going to have a quiet ride of, cumulative updates, and that's it. There are no more big updates for Windows 10. It's over. So, why move on to something else for now? You'll be fine with what you have. I'll have a lot of videos of Windows 10 also coming up on the channel, so it's no problem there. And for those that are hoping to have, new icons and new stuff in Windows 10, forget it. Windows 11 is where everything is happening. Windows 11 is where the interface is changing. The new icons are getting there. In Windows 10, we'll stay put to what it looks like and what it feels like. And that's just fine like that. It doesn't matter. We don't have new icons. And frankly, most people don't care. It is really, really to that point. Simple as that. They just want to have something that works, and it works. And of course, I will be making a lot of videos in the next months of Windows 10, all sorts of things, and talking about it and all the updates and what they are about. I am committed to Windows 10 also. And I think everybody that has a Windows 10 machine right now, just stay there. It's fine. And it will work great for the next few years. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.